Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best baseball gloves for adults. After hours of researching, we have selected the best baseball gloves for adults and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Rawlings Gamer Series Infielder Baseball Glove. The Rawlings Gamer Series is superior to all others. Rawlings is the leading manufacturer of baseball gloves. You can view their list of glove series using the link provided below. The Gamer is available in several sizes and sight styles based on position. The 11.5-inch variant has been determined as the optimal size for infielders. The leather of the Gamer gloves is buttery soft with a supple feel that is just addictive. What would you expect from a glove constructed with 2 layers of the finest Pro Soft leather? The interior padding is formable, and the thumb loop provides the ideal amount of cushioning. The real leather laces are constructed to withstand multiple seasons in any climate. It will take some time to break in this glove, so don't expect to wear it on game day if you purchased it yesterday. Number 2. Wilson Aqua 1000 Superskin Infield Baseball Glove. The Wilson Aqua 1000 Superskin Series Baseball Glove is one of the market's most popular premium gloves. This model is 11.5 inches. However, Wilson's Superskin Series offers an extensive assortment. Wilson opted for a 6-finger trap, web designed for the webbing on the black, blonde, and red Pro Stock leather model depicted in the image above. It is a durable glove made from professional-grade leather. Wilson incorporated the dry Lex wrist lining technology in this glove's heel area, which is favored by a number of players. Even on days where the temperature exceeds 90 degrees, it prevents perspiration from accumulating. Wilson's advisory staff collaborates with MLB players to consistently enhance and refine Pro Stock gloves such as this one. This glove is available in different color options. Wilson's Aeon K is an excellent alternative that is approximately half the price if you do not wish to spend that much money. Number 3. Rawlings Heart of the Hide Infielder's Baseball Glove. When your wife finds out that you bought a glove instead of making the car payment this month, you should really cross your fingers and hope that she doesn't take it too personally. If you're seeking for the best of the best, the Rawlings Heart of the Hide is another full-grain leather glove that you can buy once and have for the rest of your playing career. There's a wide range of options available for the Heart of the Hide baseball glove. The one that you can find by clicking the link above is useful for just about any position, and it is designed for more experienced junior players and older. Number 4. Easton Professional Hybrid Baseball First Base Glove. When it comes to the palm and the lining of their hybrid gloves, Easton only employs the highest quality Japan Reserve leather and a chrome tan steer hide leather from the United States. Their first baseman glove has an unrivaled feel in terms of comfort and control. This is mostly because to the wonderful sheep wool shearling fur wrist liner, which can be found in the glove. Rawhide laces offer a great deal of toughness to the shoe. You will have excellent structure thanks to the single post web and the rolled leather welting, which will also assist the mitt in conforming to your grip. The main drawback to this glove is that it requires a significant amount of time to break in. Be careful to show it lots of affection well in advance of the first competition you enter with it. Number 5. Rawlings Renegade Series Catcher's Mitt. Our selection of the very best baseball mitts currently available includes yet another Rawlings Renegade model. This time, we will be concentrating on catcher's mitts that are 31.5 and 32.5 inches in length. The outside is constructed entirely of leather and features a deep pocket for increased ball security. The one-piece solid web is constructed such that it may assist in keeping pitches in place even at the highest possible speeds. And what really is the most exciting part? It already has 80% of its breaking and done, so it won't take much to make it ready for use in a game. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.